guys, welcome back to my channel. From Mount Prospect, we can see these fireworks. Can't see them really good, so, but look, right there. See them?
Toby, you might be able to see it better from my bedroom upstairs.
Bedroom, okay. We're going to the bedroom, guys, so we can have a better look. So I'm gonna keep the light on, but
You won't be getting too much of a glare. Turn the light off.
is it Mount Prospect?
I don't know who that is. That is Mount Prospect in that area, yeah.
So that's Mount Prospect fireworks. Wait, I know this. It's by the park over there. That park by us somewhere. Oh, they're there. Look at that. So pretty.
Nice finale.
Okay, bye you guys. That's it.